The Caption Call application is now preloaded into your Blueprint OMS. The form will autofill with relevant information from your Blueprint OMS. To populate the form, you can highlight a patient in the patient browser or open a patient file. Click on the patient drop-down menu, highlight Forms, and click Caption Call. The form will appear with the patient, provider, and clinic information filled out. Any information can be edited or added directly on the form. If your provider signature is uploaded into Blueprint OMS, it will populate here. If you would like for your signature to auto-populate, you can sign a blank piece of paper with a dark pen, scan it, and send it to support@blueprintsolutions.us. Otherwise, you can use a signature pad to capture an electronic signature or print this form and sign it with a pen. If you are using an electronic signature, you can fax this form directly from Blueprint OMS. You can also archive the form to a patient's Documents tab. If you have any questions about this time-saving feature, please contact Blueprint Solutions.